Professor Gurol Sewell refers to an oval image on a screen. It's a dormant spore that, in this video, periodically changes color.
It's counting every time that it encounters food, and it's summing those signals, and it gets brighter, and it gets brighter, and that means it's getting closer to waking up.
The spore is what's become of a bacterial cell that has encountered harsh conditions. It's not exactly dead, but Sewell says it's in a state of dormancy where the common needs and functions of a living organism are not seen.
There's no metabolism, which is how food gets converted into chemical energy by the cell. There's no gene expression.
A paper co-written by Sewell and published in the journal Science shows this undead organism is still able to monitor and respond to the presence of food, then rejoin the ranks of the living.
And when they wake up, they go from white to black.
Another microscopic video shows spores waking up after repeated signals that food is present. When they awake, they quickly assume the behaviors of life.
So they take up water and they start doing all the normal biological processes that we would expect, like metabolism starts, gene expression starts, and they become a fully living, regular, so to speak, bacterial cell.
Spores can survive for millions of years. This was shown by the discovery and revival of spores that once lived in the guts of an ancient honeybee and were preserved in amber. Surviving spores may be the best way to explain how extraterrestrial life could come to Earth.
You know, one of the ideas in terms of how life emerged on our planet is that maybe it hitchhiked on an asteroid or a comet and crash landed on our planet. And so we're all sort of aliens from that perspective. We're all coming from somewhere else. But to do that, you would have to have some kind of living material that survived this journey.
And maybe, just maybe, that living material was a dormant spore. Thomas Fudge, KPBS News.